How to change the admin in a Telegram channel. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the admin in a Telegram channel. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the channel you want to transfer the ownership to. Once you're in the channel, tap the name and select the pencil icon in the top right corner. Next, go to Administrators and Add Admins. Now choose the member to whom you wish to transfer the channel ownership in Telegram. Enable the Add New Admins toggle. Upon enabling it, you will get an option Transfer Channel Ownership right below. Next, tap on Change Owner. Enter your two-factor verification password and click the tick icon on the top right. Now, ownership transfer is done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.